A very warm welcome to Nature's Bliss Jamaica Lifestyle and Wellness Center. Our Lifestyle and Wellness Center practices natural medicine, and we are into restoring health and changing lives through the use of nature's provisions. At Nature's Bliss, we specialize in reversing diabetes, hypertension, and a host of lifestyle diseases. We have also successfully treated lupus and cancer patients. We offer health management, weight management, stress management, and marriage enrichment programs. Our facility has state-of-the-art treatment rooms, tastefully furnished guest rooms, each with an ensuite bathroom. Our guests also have full access to our on-site swimming pool. If you come to Nature's Bliss, you will experience vast improvements in your quality of life. Contact us today and let us put together a program tailored just for you.